In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 and today I would like to show you how you can use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. All of your copied text will be here. To go back from it, use this icon at the top left corner. Now to use Clipboard, you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. To pin it, hold it, tap on pin icon at the top right corner and wait. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, hold it again, this time use pin icon over here and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!